Hello everyone, welcome back to Relax Your Dog. Humans are considered as the smartest species on the planet, and considering our evolution of intelligence, we prefer to surround ourselves with smart people. Our mindset is such that we even want to have the most intelligent and smartest kids. But our outlook is not limited to humans, as most pet owners want clever dogs that are able to understand commands. However, pet owners must understand that an intelligent dog does not always make the best pet. Our four-legged friend is part of our family, and it does not matter how smart or dumb they are. It is mutual love, care, and understanding that makes them great pets. One must understand that there is no easy way to rate canine intelligence. Having said that, here are the top 10 smartest dog breeds that stand out from the pack. Don't despair if your canine is not on this list of the top 10 smartest dogs, as each canine has its unique feature. Check out if your canine is a smarty pants or not. So let's move on. So, on number 10 is Australian Cattle Dog. The Australian Cattle Dog might not seem to be a common family pet, but one must not miss out on this clever breed. They are bred to herd cattle and are always happy doing the job. The breed is often credited for the development of Australia's beef industry. The Australian Cattle Dog is alert, energetic, exceptionally intelligent, and agile. The breed is highly protective of its property and family member. The Australian Cattle Dog is physically and mentally active and therefore is always ready to take on new experience. The downside of its activeness is that they bore easily and will find out activeness by themselves, and sometimes it may create trouble. Therefore, experts often recommend pet owners to keep their puppy engaged in work or sports due to their incredible work drive. The breed is so smart and organized that they put their stuff back after using it. The breed is so smart that at times they even oversmart their masters. Experts believe that the Australian Cattle Dog is God-gifted to understand human commands. On number 9 is Rottweiler. The powerful, rugged, robust Rottweiler is affectionate and smartest dog breed. Their high intellectual make them a great police dog, obedient, competitor, service dog, therapy dog, and most of all an exceptional companion. Pet owners must ensure that their pup is exercised daily. Often Rottweilers get a bad reputation for being fearful, but they are all the opposite. The canine giants are very loving, caring, protective, extremely loyal pets. They do not shy away from defending their masters and family. Rottweilers are true work companions and therefore are used as guard dogs. Rottweiler is known for patience, courage, and great insight. No doubt they make a great family companion. Despite their physical appearances, they are playful and fun. Interestingly, Rottweilers are one of the first breeds to be used as guide dogs. They have great herding and guarding instincts. Apart from being smart, they are highly motivated and have a strong desire to work. So let's move quickly to number 8. On number 8 is Papillon. The list of top 10 smartest dog breed is fairly dominated by larger dog breeds, but the Papillon is the only small toy breeds to make it on the list. Papillons are not average small canine. They are smart, agile, and trainable. They are one of the most loved pets by obedient judges, and often you will see Papillon take prizes at agility trials. In French, Papillon means butterfly, referring to the pointed wing-shaped ears. These 5-pound wonders are active, alert, and always try to stay happy. They are highly trainable and are stronger than they look. Papillon is a perfect example of the popular saying, size doesn't matter. While they only grow to max 11 inches high, they have great stamina and can keep up with on long walks. The Papillon is overprotective to what is dear to them, and their keen intellect is what makes it one of the smartest small dog breeds. They are an adorable, extrovert breed that always love to take part in different activities. On number 7 is Labrador Retriever. Labrador Retriever, affectionately known as the Labs, has been the most popular American dog breed for over 2 decades. They are the everyday family pet and makes as perfect companion. Obviously, we have seen the example of their affection in the movie Marley and Me. But the lab is more than an ideal sporting family pet. It is used for several other tasks due to its high intellectual and a stunning sense of smell. Some of the common jobs of a lab is being a guide dog, assisting in police work, detecting narcotics, and more. Nowadays, it is even used for search and rescue operations and therapy work. Their thick coat and heavy tail give them the ability to swim long distance in cold water. The super smart breed is known for its patience, smartness, and gentle nature. If you have kids in your family, then there is no better pup than the Labrador Retriever. One of the most unique and greatest gifts that labs possess is self-training. Labs have the ability to observe, learn, and repeat human behavior. On number 6 is Shetland Sheepdog. Yet another herding canine. The Sheltie is just like a miniature collie. The fluff balls are highly intelligent, agile, and obedient. Shetland sheepdogs demand affection due to their caring and loving nature. Beyond herding, these working dog breeds makes a great family pet. They are very easy to train and generally rank high in agility competitions. Shelties are able to learn new commands in a few repetitions due to their efficiency and assiduity. They are one of the most devoted canine to their family and are highly dependent. Shelties are energetic, playful, and widely known for their herding skill. They are used as guard dogs as they possess danger sensing ability. Shelties are known to bark a lot to various strangers. Their high intellect always allows them to perform almost all tasks with ease and even learn complex things very fast. However, their charm, kindness, and easygoing nature can melt everyone's heart and find them endearing. Shelties' main aim is to please people around them and they often adjust anywhere. On top 5 is Doberman Pinscher. Interestingly, the Doberman Pinscher was bred as a guardian dog by a German tax collector. They are smart, assertive, and are very easy to train. While they are muscular in build and seem to be fearsome, in reality they are quite gentle. Their posture and fearsome look may give it a reputation of a scary canine, but the truth is they are very intelligent and loyal companion. Known for their fearless nature, speed, and deep stamina, they make them great guard dogs. During World War II, the military used them to guard troops and guide soldiers through dense forests. Apart from serving as excellent police and military dogs, they are also great family pets. Modern Dobermans are less aggressive and make up as a great addition to the family. They are obedient and very easy to train. It is no surprise that the majority of watchdogs are Doberman Pinscher. Nowadays, they have become a popular choice of a therapy dog. On top 4 is Golden Retriever. Yes, you heard it right. Golden Retriever, one of the world's most fond of and adored family pet, is also highly regarded for its intellect. They are smart, affectionate, and always eager to please, which makes them a fantastic family companion. Originally bred for hunting in Scotland, the Golden Retriever are now one of the most popular canines around the world. They can learn over 200 commands and are one of the most dependable companions. It is not a surprise that they are the most preferred breed for the disabled. Interestingly, they are even used for search and rescue operations. Beyond their friendly nature, their agility and obedience also make them great service dogs. The Golden Retriever is very obedient during training. Unquestionably, they are the most loved canine breed by America due to their positive nature and low maintenance. While they are skilled and clever to perform various tasks, their favorite duty is to be a family pet. On top 3 is German Shepherd. German Shepherd is the prime choice to serve as a police and military dog. Trained to sniff out drugs, bombs, and more. No doubt, they make the list of the top 10 smartest dog breed. They are one of the brightest canine breed that not only have served this force but also have helped us medical assistance, companion, and even as a therapy dog. They are courageous and therefore they are used as even bomb detection dogs. It should come as no surprise that the breed has a great track record when it comes to obedience and training. Most experts and researchers are consistent with that idea. German Shepherds are one of the easiest to train. Beyond serving as a police dog, the German Shepherd is a great family companion due to its loyalty and protective instinct towards their masters. Unlike other breeds, the German Shepherd was bred for intelligence. Interestingly, they are one of the only breeds that learn new commands at first go. On top 2 is Poodle. Poodles are one of the most popular canine breeds. These curly cuties are often stereotyped as fashionable and high maintenance, often due to their faux haircuts. But the reality is that they are very smart and clever dog breeds and take the silver medal when it comes to canine intelligence. They are highly active and originally bred for water retrieving. Poodles are steadfast, very clever and sharp-minded, which is why they have also been used to bring supplies to soldiers during battles. They were also used by US military during World War II due to their trainable intelligence. This breed excels at obedience and is one of the easiest pups to train. Moreover, they are great problem solvers. This is why poodles are prime choice as circus performers. Interestingly, the breed was also used for bird hunting. They make a great family pet for their loving nature and humor. More so, poodles are great at grabbing attention with their cute expressions. They are one breed that loves and thrives for interactions. So, the wait is over. Are you guys excited to know who is on top 1? Yes? So let's move in. So on top 1 is Border Collie. Border Collie takes the number 1 spot when it comes to dog intelligence. They are prized for their high energy, working ability, unparalleled intelligence, extraordinary instincts, and workaholic nature. Originally, Collie was nurtured to herd sheep due to its high intellect and protective nature. Their intense bond with humans makes them true blue companion pets. But what ranks these watchdogs so high? It is their exceptional ability to learn incredibly fast. In fact, most of the proficient class and researchers of the canine kingdom rate Border Collie as one of the smartest dog breeds. Border Collie has a herding eye that makes them more agile. Moreover, their speed and concentration also make them great at agility sports. If you have children at home, then Border Collie is the pet you want to get. They are very much a family dog and are known for their faithfulness and protective manner. Overall, the Border Collie is a smart, well-behaved and low-maintenance pet.